All files. The first of the 4 options in the document drop-down menu is All Files. From All Files, you can access the entire document library of the project. Open the drop-down document menu and select All Files to open the document context menu. Under All Files, you will see the original file, the final exported file, and any reference material that has been provided by the project manager. Under Document Viewer, you can see all the attached documents in any of the available project languages. Simply select the document and the language you want to see, and the system will update the available documents automatically. To open an available document, simply choose which type, original, final, or reference, and click on the arrow next to the folder icon. This will open and show any available document of this type in the selected language that is attached to the project. For example, under Original File, we see the original English document that can be downloaded and viewed as a formatting reference. If you hover over the document, you will see more information, such as the creation date and the file size. To open a preview of the document, click on the magnifying glass. Please note, this function only works if you have your pop-up blocker turned off. In the event that you have forgotten to turn off your pop-up blocker, do so by choosing to allow pop-ups and click Complete. You will then need to go back to the document menu and click on the preview icon again. With the pop-up blocker now turned off, the preview should automatically load in another browser window. We can now see the original document with its formatting intact. This is very useful when you are translating articles and need to see which segments are used as titles. You can also download the document and open a full editable version by clicking on the download icon. The download will automatically appear in your download folder and can be accessed without the use of internet. These features are dependent on your system rights, so please speak to your system admin should you want to use these functions but are unable to do so. Now, let's take a look at the final files. It looks very similar to the original file menu, but does have some additional features. Depending on your system rights, you may be able to download, edit, and upload a final document. To do so, click on the Attachments folder and then on the 3 dots. From here, choose Upload New File and drag and drop the desired file from your hard drive. You now see that the file is listed in the Attachments folder. The last folder in All Files is the Reference Materials. This is where you will find any additional materials that the project managers thought would be helpful for your translation. These may include previous versions, related documents, or even examples of the texts associated with the project.